Hey guys, here's Paul speaking, and this is my way to 3D print very easy and get rid of all this glue stuff on the bed and everything. I used to print as everyone on a glass bed with painter's tape, and after a while it gets used and then you need to put new ones on top, and then you have uneven layers or something, so you clean it all up to have one perfect surface again, but this cleaning process takes a long time. It's very tiresome, very annoying. So I didn't like it, so I started to 3D print. After a while I used this plastic sheet. It is perfect. It is just the best surface I think you can get out there for printing 3D. It's a simple piece of plastic. I just cutted it out in this way, and you can see it stucks very nice. You don't even need to heat up, although I do it sometimes when I have very less brim or skirt rather. So yeah, it helps a little bit, but this plastic thing is like you have no work afterwards. You can just bend it so it pops just right up. It is so much easier to print on. You can bend it, it pops out, although afterwards the plastic is a little bit warped. So you can also go slightly underneath with your tool, and then it is the most simple way to print 3D. If you really don't like all this cleaning and all this scrubbing afterwards, and if you're really annoyed, yeah, this is the way to go. I promise you, you will be happy about it. And I don't know if anybody is doing this on the internet so far, but please try it yourself. You will see it's super awesome way to print. Yeah, super nice. And this is one of my print and another of my prints. Fits perfectly. Yeah. I got one more print, which is also very nice here. Check this out. Booyakasha! Haha! Place for 8 jackets with just 2 hooks, and the door locks perfectly. Nice.